Hi everyone, welcome to this channel zoologybio. Welcome you to the new series of video, and in this series of video I am talking about the ecology. And now in this video I am talking about the ecology, branches of ecology, term used in ecology and some alternate terms used by some scientists for ecology. So let's start with the basic introduction of ecology. Ecology, the terms from the Greek word oikos, that means home, and logos, that means study, is the branch of biology that deals with the interrelationship amongst organisms and their interaction with their environment. In simple words, it is the study of organisms at their home. The essence of ecological understanding is to know how organisms interact with other organisms and their physical environment as a group, and hence behave like organized wholes, that is, population, community, ecosystem, or even as the whole biosphere. The term ecology was first coined by Ernst Haeckel in the year of 1869. However, its first authentic use was made by H. Ritter in the year of 1885. This chapter describes various ecologies, mainly emphasizing more on its organismic and population levels. Now, the branches of ecology. Ecology has been divided into several branches, but the main branches are given like the first one is horticology. It is concerned with the study of an individual organisms, an individual species. The term was coined by Schroeter and Kirchner in the year of 1896. The second one is synecology. It deals with the study of a group of organisms which are associated together as a unit. The synecology is further subdivided into the population ecology, community ecology, and ecosystem ecology. This term was also coined by Schroeter and Kirchner in the year of 1896. The third one is demecology. It is the ecology of a population. The fourth one is systems ecology. It deals with the interpretation of ecological concepts and processes in terms of mathematical models and formulae. The fifth one is genealogy. It deals with the genetic composition and changes in relation to the origin of ecotypes, ecotypes, new species, etc. The sixth one is population ecology. It is the study of growth, trophic structure, metabolism, and regulation of a population. The seventh one is community ecology. It is the study of different populations present in same habitat and environmental conditions. The eighth one is taxonomic ecology. It deals with the study of different taxonomic groups such as plant, insect, human, etc. The ninth one is applied ecology. It deals with the study of applications of ecological concepts to human needs, including wildlife management, biological control, and forestry. The 10th one is habitat ecology. It deals with the study of plants and animals inhabiting different habitats. And now some alternate terms used by some scientists for ecology. Like the first one is Ernst Haeckel used the term oikology. Scientist Carl Moebius used the term biocoenosis. Scientists St. George and Jackson Meaver used the term hexecology. St. Hilary used the term ethology. Scientists Selford and Clements used the term bioecology. And now some terms used in ecology. Various terms used in ecology, like population. It is a group of individual organisms of the same species in a given area. Community. It is a group of populations of different species in a given area. Environment. It is the complex sum of many factors, therefore also referred as the environmental complex. Habitat. It is a place where an organism lives. Habitat represents a particular set of environmental conditions that are suitable for the survival of its inhabitants. Adaptation. It is a specialized feature of an organism having a definite significance in allowing that organisms to exist under the conditions of its habitat. Ecades of a plant species. It is a population of individuals which, although belong to the same genetic stock, that is, are genetically similar but differ in vegetative characters such as size, shape, number of leaves, stems, etc. Ecotypes. It is a population of individuals of a species which are genetically different. Ecospecies. One or more ecotype in a single coin of species, a collection of related species able to hybridize. Ecotone. It is a transition zone present between two different types of communities. The species found in this region are called edge species, and the effect these species have on each other is called edge effect. Biological spectrum. It is the percentage distribution of a species among the various life forms of a particular flora. Biological clock, an internal mechanism in organisms that controls the periodicity of various functions or activities. Ecological succession. It is a natural process by which different groups or communities colonize the same area over a period of time in a definite sequences. Climax community. During succession, the final terminal community that can maintain itself more or less indefinitely in equilibrium with the prevailing environment is known as climax community, and the stage as climax. Biome. A complex of several types of communities maintained under more or less similar climatic conditions is known as biome. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a whole biotic community in a given area, including its abiotic environment. Biosphere. The planet Earth, along with its atmosphere, air, land, and water that sustain life, is called biosphere. Standing state. The amount of inorganic substances such as phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, carbon, hydrogen, etc. present at a given time in the environment of an ecosystem is called standing state or standing quality. Standing crop. The amount of living material, organic material present in a population at any time is called standing crop. Biomass. It is the standing crop expressed in terms of weight of the living matter present. Ecological pyramid. It is the graphic representation of the trophic structure and the function at successive trophic levels of an ecosystem, which may be shown in terms of their number, biomass, or energy content. Food chain. The transfer of food energy from the source in plants through a series of organisms with repeated eating and being eaten is called food chain in an ecosystem. Food web. It is an interlinked pattern of a number of food chains forming a web-like arrangement in an ecosystem. Productivity. The rate of production, that is, amount of organic matter accumulated in the living component of an ecosystem in a unit time, is referred to as the productivity of an ecosystem. Biogeochemical cycle. More or less circular pathways through which the chemical elements, including all the essential elements of the protoplasm, circulate in the biosphere from the environment to organisms and back to the environment, are known as biogeochemical cycles. Ecological niche. Ecological niche of an organism includes the physical space occupied by it, its functional role in the community, and the conditions of its existence. Ecological equivalents. They are the organisms which occupy the same or similar ecological niches in different geographical regions. Conservation. The planning and management of resources so as to secure their wide use and continuity of supply while maintaining and enhancing their quality, value, and diversity. Pollution. It is an undesirable change in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air, land, and water that may harmfully affect human life directly or indirectly. And that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and share this video as much as possible. To get more videos related to this topic, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video.